What's up, guys? It's David back at it here for another video today. And in today's video, I want to give you a quick little tip, a little hack that I've been using recently to help me sleep better, to help me actually stay. I hate using the word productive, but yeah, more productive, more on task, more able to just focus on anything I'm trying to do. Again, it doesn't have to be related to making money, work, or anything like that, or school, or any of that. It could be anything. It could be just you focusing on not getting distracted while you're having a conversation with someone, in your life, so, family member, friend, a girlfriend, whatever. So this little trick here that will help you sleep better, probably improve your life in so many ways and keep you focused and not have you distracted and all over the place, is to put your phone on airplane mode. Or even better, turn it off. One or the other. I prefer to keep it in airplane mode. But, why does airplane mode work? No one can call you, no one can text you, there's no Facebook Messenger messages, there's no Snapchat notifications, there's no Instagram notifications of seeing who liked your last post or whatever, responded to your story or DM'd you. There's no Twitter updates, no Facebook updates, none of that bullshit, none of that nonsense. Just none of that at all, it's all gone. The reason why I put it on airplane mode is so that I can still access some things on my phone that I need, maybe a calculator or the Notes app on my iPhone, which is very handy when I need to refresh my memory on something, or just look at my agenda for the day, or look at notes I've had before, and ideas and whatnot to get whatever I have to get done, or the Reminders app, other stuff like that, or to film a video like this one. I can film it without any Wi-Fi. I have my phone on airplane mode right now as I'm filming this video, so I don't get distracted. No one can call me, no one can do any of that for me. Huge benefit, as far as sleep goes, your phone emits, electromagnetic radiation, the Wi-Fi signals, LTE signals from your phone carrier, all that stuff. So even when you have Wi-Fi on, you don't have your carriers signaling, there's still a lot of radiation and electromagnetic emission going on there. It's more physics, science stuff, but basically it can screw up your sleep, it can screw up your, it screws with you because it's a signal that is interfering with your body. Essentially, it keeps you up, and I've noticed this too. I've tested this many times. Whenever I don't have my phone put in airplane mode, I don't sleep at all as well as I do when I have my phone on airplane mode. Every time I put my phone on airplane mode, I wake up every morning super refreshed and energetic. And after a while, you start to see the trend. It's it's almost like magic when you put your phone on airplane mode, or even better, turn it off. One of the two works. Either one works. You don't get distracted before you go to sleep, and your sleep quality is actually better, because clearly I wake up feeling a lot better every morning when I have my phone on airplane mode before I go to sleep. I don't always do this, of course. Actually, most of the time I actually don't have it on airplane mode. I forget to. I fall asleep. Just stuff happens. My fault, of course, but yeah, try it out for yourself. I guarantee you it will help you sleep better. I promise you. If it doesn't, let me know down in the comment section below. So yeah, besides sleep, being able to focus and concentrate and not get distracted, you get peace of mind just by not having notifications, not being always distracted by someone else's agenda, because these social media apps, the games on your phone, all these different things, notifications, they're there to distract you. Oh yeah, I forgot. You don't get any email notifications, none of that either. Another thing. Nothing, it can't distract you. You can't get any notifications except for maybe your reminder app or something on your phone, probably. A few things like that, but nothing that screws up with your agenda or your own time. And so doing that gives you that headspace to just relax, just do what you are doing right now and not have to worry about hearing that message back from some random that person you texted last night and you didn't hear back from them, or getting a call from your boss out of nowhere, for some emergency, or some drama going on Twitter, some beef, maybe you're involved in some of that, or people commenting on your posts. yada, yada, yada. There's so many things that can just distract you and get you off task or get you off your path, whatever that path is that you're on, for that day, for that moment, for the hour, for that time, right? And path doesn't mean like your life, like your life mission, but it does include that. But just from your day-to-day perspective, anything you're doing, if you want to get distracted when you're working out, when you're trying to get business done or work done, when you're just trying to enjoy your time, just relax at the beach, I don't know, right? I can't decide what those things are for you that matter, that are part of your path. But I promise you, this little trick here of just putting your phone on airplane mode is going to make a huge difference. It will definitely make a huge difference in your sleep. I can promise you that right now. And if you have it on airplane mode in the morning when you need to actually, or whenever you actually need to do something important or something that matters to you in your life, it could be a small habit, it could be a big event, whatever it is, and you don't want to get distracted, put it on airplane mode or turn it off. One of the two works. I usually keep it on airplane mode, but you can turn it off too. And I hope you got value out of this video. Hope this helps. Let me know how this tip goes for you. Try it out for a week or so. Let me know down in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe, hit that red button. And if you like this video, give this a thumbs up, the like button, hit that button. And with that said, I will see you in the next video. Peace.